Alright friends, welcome to the JavaScript arithmetic video series part 1, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can use arithmetic expressions to take two numbers to produce a new number. Okay, I know we've done this a little bit similar things before, but right now what we're doing is we're building a little bit complexity bit by bit. So just type with me, open the paragraph tag and say a typical arithmetic operation takes two numbers and produces a new number. Okay, period. Okay, I wish I was in a live class where my students always tell me if I write something wrong on the whiteboard, but that's fine. id is equal to demo and close the paragraph tag. Then you have script tag, and please type var x is equal to 100 plus 50, end of statement, semicolon. Then you have document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to x. Okay, and close the script tag please, and close the body tag, and also close the HTML tag. Let's run this program. Okay, let me first save it as arithmetic. Okay, and I'm just going to say arithmetic add. Again, save it as, because I just want to differentiate it with the ones that we previously done, because this is an entire video on arithmetic dot html. And let me find it in my folder, arithmetic add. Let's go up. Yes. Alright, a typical arithmetic operation takes two numbers and produces a new number, which is 100 plus 50 is 150. Okay, let's look at more examples. Okay, supposing you have instead of variables, or instead of literals, numericals, you have numerals. Instead of numerals, you have literals. You have text, you have expressions. How do you add them? Doc type HTML, open up the HTML tag, body, and open up the paragraph tag and say a typical arithmetic operation can also take two numbers or variables and produces a new number. Okay, you see that now. Okay, and open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo and yes, backslash, and open up the script tag, var a is equal to 100, var b is equal to 50, var x is equal to a plus b, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to x. Close the, okay, I don't think yes. Close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Right, let's run this program. Let's save it as the arithmetic add 2, and also save it as dot html. Again, it gives the same answer. The difference was in the expression here. Yes, it was in the expression. A typical arithmetic operation takes two numbers, which is a and b, and you can also produce a new number with the aid of algebraic expression x is equal to a plus b. Okay, supposing we have a number, an expression within the parentheses, and we need to multiply it. Okay, I'm going to save this one as arithmetic multiply. Okay, I haven't done it yet, but I'm just going to let you know that this is the multiply program. All right, and let's begin with doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, and in the paragraph tag write a typical arithmetic operation takes two numbers or expressions and produces a new number. Okay, and close the paragraph tag and open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Okay, and open up the script tag, and within the script tag declare again var a is equal to 3, and then say var x is equal to 100 plus 50, that's an expression in parenthesis, multiplied by a. Okay, sounds simple. First it should solve 100 plus 50, which is 150, and then multiplied by a, and a is nothing but 3. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to x. Okay, and close the script tag, close the body tag, and finally close the html tag. Okay, let's run this program. Okay, I'm simply going to save it as the HTML file because I've already saved the text version. So .html, and let me find it in my folder. There you go. 450. If you try to do that, a typical arithmetic operation takes two numbers, which is 150 times 3 is 450. You can try that in your calculator. Okay, so it didn't do a times 50, it did 100 plus 50, which is 150, and then multiplied the whole thing by a, just like you would do in your normal arithmetic algebraic expression in your math classes. In the exactly the same way you're going to do the JavaScript. Okay, another thing that I want to show you is these numbers are called operands. Okay, they're written like this, operands, and this sign here, a plus sign, and these are known as operators. All right, supposing we have to do subtraction. How are we going to do subtraction? Let me create a new program and save it as arithmetic sub. Okay, let's just name it sub for subtraction. Let's begin the code. All right, open up the bracket and say doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag. Open up the body tag. Open up the h1 tag and say the minus operator. Okay, and yes, close the h1 tag and say paragraph id is equal to demo. All right, script. What are you going to write in the script? You're going to declare your variables. Var x is equal to 5. Var y is equal to 2. Var z is equal to x minus y. Okay. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to z. So you're going to display z. All right, and then close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Cool. Let's save this program. Okay, I'm going to save it as HTML. .html. Yes, and let me find this file here. There you go. What did we ask for? We asked for x minus y, which is 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, so this is how you do operators with the minus operator. This is how you use the minus operator. All right, what if you have a multiplication operator and a division operator? Let me do 2 more examples with you. Okay, for this simple example, just open up the doctype tag again. Doctype HTML, and then we have the body tag, and then h1, and say the star operator or the multiplication operator. Okay, that's what we're demonstrating right now. Close the h1 tag, and now it's time to declare your demo id is equal to demo. Okay, and close the paragraph tag. Open up the script tag and say var x is equal to 5, var y is equal to 2, var z is equal to x, x times y. End of expression. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to z. End of expression. Script, close the script tag and close the remaining tags that you've opened in the beginning, body and html tag. All right, and I'm going to save this as the multiply but with 2. Okay, and I also want to save it as the .html. Let me find it in my folder. Yes, there you go. What did we ask for? We asked for 5 times 2. Okay, and that's exactly what we got, the multiplication operator, and that's all. Z is equal to X times Y, which is 5 times 2, and you have to display Z, and the answer is 10. Let's do one more before I close this video. I want to do division with you. Okay, let's begin with a clean slate. Again, doc type, HTML. Open up the HTML tag, body tag, h1 tag, and within the h1 tag say the division operator. Okay, close the h1 tag and open up the paragraph tag and do id is equal to demo. All right, and then open up the script tag. Also declare variable var x is equal to 5, var y is equal to 2. Okay, and we have var z is equal to x divided by y, right, which is 5 divided by 2. Okay, and then this is going to be interesting. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to z, end of expression. Close the script tag, close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Perfect. Let me save this as, okay, sorry, file, save as arithmetic divide. I also want to save it as .html. Okay, and where is it? Yes, the answer is 2.5. How cool is that? 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. That's 2.5. Alright, with this I'm going to end my video, and in the next video I'm going to talk about examples dealing with mod and the rest of the operators that we've learned in the previous videos. Alright, see you then. Bye.